bese ngiyakubona ngathi ufuna ukuthi Oski amirinyana la weekend alikho.
Wa shema.
Esijukuvula ikhamera.
Mama nisana. Yebo.
Yo. Amanye sephula le ndaba ka chicken.
Ubona ngibonise lona.
Yo. Bala
Ngiyayibona shaba.
Bathi FM.
Bathi ubuyele.
Kanti ngikuphi la mina bafethu bala ngikuphi la out yo.
Uthi aliyenzani wena Sjuku?
Wena sofuna ukuthi Oscar my king. Medical Oscar say street ngeimpahla sofuna iamiri my king.
Mina ngicela ukungena egamini onbolekisana ngeimpahla la egamini Sjuku.
Hayi bamupha.
Onebolekisana Sjuku la egamini nicela izinja.
Ngizwa bathi uma ubuya 67 minutes no Oscar ukushiya bar athi mfana inceke.
Ubani?
Esjuku bathi Oscar umshiya bar athi mfana inceke mina kusamele ngibambe highway.
Wena bathi bahlangane naye walk adlule eparkini awuyeba? Kapso wena. Awuyeba?
Abathi just la ngathi ngizojumpisa la ithi ngivele ngenze ngathi ngishaya ama video wami. Yebo. Ebafethu ponjo. Abanye basale bar, abanye basala.
Ebafethu asifani.
Usjuka akafikanga beyangana nyuku yokreya.
Obani? Awusjuka uOscar ngathi akuphi iwallet kwi Friday, Saturday uhluleka ukufika.
Angisho uyazi phela, uyazi.
Taba.
Esjuku wenzani njami?
Wenzani
la?
Mara
lezinto.
Bakhuluma iqiniso bathi shaba noma ungaskimu uOscar akusho ukuthi uzoyenza i-celebrity. Nangu uSjuku uskimu umuntu osipane rehab. Mara kunanto enzakalayo. Ilife kanje. If umadala uhlula ukufaka uSjuku erehab, mina uOscar uzongenzelani?
Yabona wena sansoqalile ne?
Sorry.
Ngathi awusabu ngathi ukhohle ngi-role model yakho.
Tur, I know ale iqiniso. Role model yami.
Oscar mfethu, what's for supper mngani wami? Mina ngithanda ama conversation awakho what's for supper udliwane ntwana usiuphekile?
Bapheka.
Yeah, level shaba intsha kakhulu le.
Man umbothu le udown utandi lama video ngwabona kuma stages wakho. Asikambo akusiwa FM la waza ngama appearance kanje. Like you got man,
no,
you know.
Let me tell you, Jam, like I think him or starstruck la ngiphethe nabantu like ngiployment abantu abarani game yenu phela manje shaba
like wait.
Game yakho Jam.
No, bakhamela kapati. Jo mina mangibona wena futhi mani. Inkinga rawana us to go there yabo cause mfethu mboni na yini and set standard futhi mani. Phela you've done it all.
And the next Jam. And the next utshele varu mfethu. I think letwe ukuthi sibheka kanjani le yabo. Yeah, sibheka kanjani ukuthi ziya attendwa kanjani izinto, but that's why I think I'm out ngiyawatshela ukuthi mina ngihlonipha everyone yabo. Mina ngidinga ukuthi ube uphatha or ube yini ukuthi ngihlonipha wonke umuntu mina njalo. So that's why ngithi abona mina nawe wena maybe you thought angikwazi but mina ngiyacava yabo. Cava from lama voice note, even your content like because mina ngumuntu we-internet yabo. Even uTK ngimazi before angazi yena.
Yesho umuntu vele nduhlezi ucomment emajite namabhasha iSpanish.
Usjuku futhi yena wes ngimazi kudala yabo. Usjuku bebangakhohlwa abantswempu bara babhizi bashare isirock lapho sibabheka lapho icons babheka.
Let's skip.
Babheka.
Uyamazi manje emocha cafe.
Njami lalela besibheka lapha imphizi nenza lento enokropa le benropa nibana bokhuni sinibheke lezi aropa lezi akaze nifike nina. Akaze nifike nina kunyiwe kuthiwa kunyiswa yini nakawani.
Bafethu.
Wait, ubuya Soweto?
Hayi
ubuya va?
Mpumalanga.
Yes, awu. Sengimangele ngithi awu.
Abosju besobanyathela thina kuba basiphaphele baphaphela nina like internet besobanyathela thina ene ngikhuluma kudala besibaphethe
Besirobha ne-Oscar ne?
ah
Oscar
mina
besirobha ne?
benroba
Besirobha. Thina!
thina even emoja besinibheka emoja nje phela abantu bayazi ngole site leli khona le site leli ubhuka amatafula ibheka lawo
Yeah.
ya besilamuva mara bengeke usondele
Yeah.
Shayisa irokho bayiteki.
ongali ya bashelisa rock labantu laba ngibabheka ngithi mara abantu lawa
Bayingaki, bayingaki?
Mara
Ah,
basiphuma. Siza si-6 besiphuma si-19. Oh.
yafana
Neighbor ka Oscar manje sikhuluma kanje uBlack Coffee akamadala TK umiyano impilo kanti njani bafethu mara Tambo mina you know what I'm saying
Uyakasijuku mabhoza.
Yayichola Tambo mina into enyiringelayo I understand ukuthi vele elifini we always wanna achieve bigger and bigger. When you reach this stage, you wanna reach this. But from us as I'm a creatives, and because mina mani ukubheka perspective sharp discipline ikhona number one. You know, when a man brags about the family, you know, family man, it shows good there's discipline number one. You understand? Of which nganyukela mang ubhabe shy as we sang in the game because I need to there's too much noise. You understand? So masibona when I'm like, oh dog, I wonder how did he manage to, you know, outside the noise lanes, the girls, the groupies and all that, but he still manages to stick to this one person and the family. And it shows Gucci, you sticking from that, you're achieving a lot of things. Cause I can tell you now, mhlawumbe this biology, yo, kube ngasi le made nginayo or kube ngasi made nje. Kube anginayo lento leyo, you understand?
I blind game ka Oscar. Uyazi la shaka. La ngestyle
Yeah, so to us, span wise, siyazikhulumela ispan sakho. You understand?
Yeah, sure.
You can't say Oscar Mbobathi bile ezisulayo bavele bathi le shy number le deep house ayintswembu le. You know, ezinye seziyalandela ukuthi ezikapa awuthi abantu bani or inini ijamala kasibani bani it comes after, but the first thing is pansi sikhulumela. You understand? Mina mabathu shaba omunye uthi play papa omunye uthi le ama voice note enye uthi le khama esikikini ithi nyoqhama futhi.
Hey, bafethu ndahlupha bantha ayashupha lentana bafethu amara thama
Mara uyayizwa le question untwana ayibuzayo Oscar. Oscar.
yabona lento iyakhama futhi.
Ngisakhamba la i-mobile toilet yami.
ngiyayizwa wena madala ngiyayizwa or ntwana add
Hayi madala ngeke ufune i-advice ku-Oscar mfana kwalo stro bakhona. Madala omunye nomunye lane yakhe.
Uzokuphi advice ematala into yabona sihleli kanjani? Uzophiwa yini advice wena? Hawo.
uthini madala
Yeah, ukumaintaina i-riding i-discipline wena Oscar Proam. Ukumaintaina i-discipline kula matrick abhaya kanje, you know, nama temptation abhaya kanje. To maintain the discipline and be on one lane Proam and be consistent la Proam.
yeah it's tough. It's tough. Like I won't lie, especially I think Ushaba also mentioned it. Gulama izinto is available for wena as a young person. Yabona uqala uphathi nyoku wonke umuntu like wants to be close to you, size, access to everything. Yabo. So akusinto easy, but I feel like
Njengoba funa ukuzenza umngani manje ngoba senemali.
So I feel like however I feel like
Shaba umamele shaba ngayi
Umamele mnganami.
I feel like uNkulunkulu ugaya wonke umuntu i-taste ya something yabo. If you are meant for it, ugaya taste and then ufika ku crossroad yabo. Kune crossroad ufika kiyo ezomela decide ukuthi wena ufuna uhamba kanje or ufuna uhamba kanje yabo. And akusho ukuthi mawuzohamba kanje angeke asagayi uNkulunkulu. No. uNkulunkulu ugaya still magayile ugayile like i-blessing yabo. That's mina ngifila ngathi as a man every point of your life la into zakho via grand khona kune-decision emele uyenze ukuthi
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Billy Mele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is